Alright, YouTube fam, it's your boy Kev coming back at you with another exciting video. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 or more per day or per week, depending on how much you do. Okay? And they're going to stick around for this video because I've got two bonuses coming toward the end of this video to show you how to do this. Alright? Stick around. I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. Like I said, going to show you how you can make up to $100 per day or per week, depending on how much you do this. And there's a couple bonuses coming here on how you can even do it for free and even make more money. Okay, so you're going to want to stick around here now. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video here today. Oh, by the way, don't quit fooling yourself here. Just reach down there right now and go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alright guys, with that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to jump right on in this right now. Kind of anxious to show this to you if you can't tell. Alright, so we're going to come over here. As you can see, we're going to our favorite Opera browser here. We're going to come over here to a site called Motion Den. You see that right there? Up here in the address bar, it says motionden.com. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to be making video intros and outros. Alright, so you know there's a lot of people that have YouTube channels or have like a Vimeo channel or a Daily Motion channel that would like outro or intro video clips made for their videos, such as you just saw on mine just a few moments ago. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can make some good money with this. Alright, from this site, come over to motionden.com. Now, to start with here, they do have pricing here. You can do this, and they have a pay-as-you-go. And each video you make is free. Each video intro you make is $9. Okay, and then you can do the monthly. They have a yearly plan too here. Pay it by year, $29 a month for the whole year, or you can pay monthly. It's $39, and you get the whole thing. With the $9 one, you're gonna have a watermark in it. See here, pay to remove each video watermark. And then for the unlimited here, for $39 a month, you can publish directly to YouTube. Full HD quality videos, unlimited, no watermark, and you can download the video straight to your computer. Okay, so those are the prices looking here, but not to be concerned, because the money you're going to make is going to more than cover that. Okay, now let's check this out here. So if we come back here, let's just have a look and see how easy it is to do this for people. Guys, this is just straight up simple, and it can be done anywhere in the world. This can be done, doesn't matter where you're at, it can be done anywhere in the world. Now we're going to show you how easy it is to do a intro video here. Click on templates here, and you see they have all kinds of template. Look at the categories over here: animated, automotive, business and services, corporate, e-commerce, event, Facebook, fashion. I mean, it just goes all the way down the list here, as you can see here in this column on the left. But what we're interested in is right here, intro videos. Now you can do YouTube ones or intros. We're choosing intro. That's what we're going to do here. Now, some of these intro tabs, as you can see, they last like 7 seconds. Here's one, 9 seconds, 13 seconds. Some of them you have more than one clip. But for this example, I'm just going to use one that has one clip is all it takes, just for the sake of time here. Okay. Alright, so for example, as we flip through these pages here, you can see here's one that's 6 seconds long, and I think it only takes one clip for that. Yeah, it says here you'll need one clip. Okay, but some of them you can do up to 10, 12, 13 clips, depending on how long the video intro you want. Okay, Now, and here's a little, it does have some music with it here. So I'm going to try to I'll turn that down just a little bit so it isn't so loud. You can get an idea of what it's going to look like right here, just with motion down on here now. And that's all there is to it. See, it's just a real short clip. Now, let's go ahead and edit the video. See the edit this video button here. And then first of all, they want us to sign in. So you can sign in with Facebook or Google, or you can create a local account right here on this site. Alright, so I'm going to log in with my Google account here. And that logs me right in, and it brings up the clip that I had chosen. See? Now, if you choose a longer video clip, you're going to have other ones down here that you'll have to go through and put text on or whatever. But I just want to show you this as an example of how easy this is. Alright, so we'll click right here, and we want to enter in our text. We're allowed up to 10 characters, 9 to 10 characters. Alright, so let's just put, let me just, for example, put freedom in there. Alright, and we'll just click on save. And you see up here at the top it says 100% completed. And then we're going to click on this button right here, make the video or create the video. Alright. Alright, that's congratulations, you finished making a video, continue to the dashboard. Alright, so you can see right here that it is rendering right here. See how it's rendering the video right here? And it will take it some time to do that. So while it's doing that, let's talk about how you're going to make some money doing this, okay? So, what we're going to do to make money after we've made these intro videos for people that are interested in it, right? We're going to come over to our favorite Fiverr website, right? Everybody knows about Fiverr. See it right here, Fiverr.com. Alright? If you notice in the Fiverr search engine here, I typed in intro videos. And you see it right here, results for intro videos. First thing I want you to notice, guys, is that right here, you see there's only 3,896 people that are doing this. That's not very many. This is a fairly wide open thing right here. That's not very many when you consider billions of people. And dare I say, probably a billion of them are on YouTube alone. Okay, let alone Vimeo and Daily Motion video sites too. Okay, so this is fairly a wide open market. And you see here that people are saying, I will create custom video intro and logo animation, create a YouTube intro outro video, and so on and so forth. You see the prices that they're starting at. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, you're going to sign into Fiverr. If you don't have an account with Fiverr, just click join, sign up, get a free account. It's free to do this. And then you're going to click on become a seller. Alrighty? What you're going to do is you're going to create your own gig here on Fiverr selling video intros and outros. Okay, as you can see here. Now, if you look, some of the prices start at about 15 and go up sort of from there. And 15 looks to be the low. Here's one for 10. And 10, 20, 10, 20. So the thing is, you want to set your price to start with at either 10 or 15 to 20 bucks seems to be a pretty good average here. I'd set it at 20 bucks to start with. And what you want to do is you want to take another one that's a pretty good one like this one. This person's got, let me get this off my screen. This person's got 265 sales. Right now has 9 orders waiting in the queue and starting at $20. They have a basic package for $20, 3-day delivery, and 2 revisions, and they logo transparency, background music, custom colors, overlay, text, and animation. They have a standard package for $35 with background and music, 1080p full HD, and then a premium package for $50. So you can set yours starting at about 20 and then work your way up in a standard or a premium package if you want to yourself. But you want to create your gig similar to this. Don't copy someone else's gig though. You just want to model after their gig and look sort of what they put down, and then a little bit about yourself and what you do, that information about you. and then you show your packages here if you want, and what you'll do for the particular amount of money and stuff. And then what you want to do on your gig is you want to come all the way down here, like I've told you guys before in my videos past about Fiverr and creating gigs on Fiverr. It's no different than this one. You want to pick a good one that's got a good rating and high amount of sales, and you want to scroll down and use their related tags for your gig. Okay? So alright, so you've got your gig created on Fiverr. You get an order. You come over to here when you get an order for someone to do an intro video, and they'll tell you the information they want, what colors, what the words they want on it to say, any type of logo, and or how long they want it to be in terms of seconds. Okay? So once you get an order with those kind of specifications, you bring that over to back over to Motion Den. And as you can see, while we were talking about the Fiverr gig, you see that this video is already done. And let's take a look at it now. So we click on it here, and you see there's a watermark on it here and stuff. But we'll play it here, and you can sort of see it. And the music is already on. Each clip has a different sound or different music to it. So you can see how easy that is. So what you can do is you get an order for $20 to do a 6, 7, 8, whatever second video clip that they want. They give you the specs. You come over, do the video for them, download it to your computer, and if you have to pay, like on the prices here, I can come back here and we'll get the prices here so you can see that. Well, it's not going to let me see the prices, but you saw the prices. Even if you bought the one for $39 per month, all you would need was 2 orders at $20, and you covered that. The rest of the month is all profit for you on orders that people want from these logos. Okay? Now, and you would just make up their intro video for them, and then just download it to your computer, and then come back to Fiverr and give that file, that MP4 file, more than likely it's downloaded in, and then give that back to your customer, and then you get paid. Okay, so you can see, for example, there's this person right here. I just took this person we use as an example here because it's an average of $20, and they've got 265 orders completed already. Right, so let's just see how much that is. Let's just take $20 alone. We won't even figure in the next package up, the basic and the standard and then the premium. We won't even figure those. We'll just take the $20 alone package, just the basic. Okay, so we see 265 orders total completed already, times $20, right? Guys, that's $5,300. Just now, see, we haven't even figured in the standard and premium orders that are involved in that too, as well. Okay, that's $5,300 that person's made just at the $20 level, and with those 265 orders. So you see that the potential here to make at least 100 per day or more per week, maybe even just 100 a week. If you got 5 orders per week, just 5 per week, and I think that's pretty doggone conservative. You're going to make $100 a week at $20 a pop, right? But you can see the potential here. All right, now that's what I wanted to show you today. But now I've got 2 other bonuses for you. Here's the bonus number 1. Let's just say, for example, that you don't want to fool around with this at all. You don't want to fool around with Motion Den. You don't even want to do this work, even though you just saw how easy it is. You don't want to fool with it at all. Well, how would you still do it? Well, you've got your gig set up on Fiverr, right, for video intros. Then what you would do is you'd come over to a site right here called SEO Clerks. I've showed you guys about this before, right? And if you notice up here in their search engine, I've typed in here video intro. Video intros. Alright? And if you look down through here, you got people here that'll do this for you for $5. Here's one for $2. If we scroll down, look here. Here's one for $1. So see, you didn't even fool with Motion Den. You're not paying a monthly fee there or anything. So for $1, you get your order off your gig on Fiverr, right? You get the specifications from your customer. You bring that over to SEO Clerk, hire this person here for $1 to do a really cool video intro for YouTube. And it only costs you $1, and you've made 19 bucks. See how easy that was, guys? You didn't even have to do any of the work. You didn't even want to fool around with Motion Den, what I showed you. You just didn't want, you hired it out and had somebody else do it. You were just a middleman. Once this person gives you back the video, you bring it back to Fiverr and you give it back to your customer and get paid. That's bonus number one. Alrighty, guys. Now, bonus number two on how to make even bigger money. If you don't want to fool around with Fiverr, and you don't want to fool around with Motion Den, and you don't want to fool around with SEO Clerks with being a middleman or anything, what you want to do is you want to reach down there in the description, top of my description, and you want to click that link that you see at the top of your video there where it says mentorwithkev.com. And you want to click on that and come over and begin to start your own online business with the capability of making up to $4,000 in one day. And then get your online business up and running for just the price of a cup of Starbucks coffee, which is about, what, $7? And have your own online business up and running and get yourself out of that 9 to 5 answering to a boss every week or every day. All right, get out of that and have your own business online where you can be successful and be at home and travel when you want, go where you want, and so on and so forth. Alrighty, guys, that's what I wanted to show you, how to do Motion Den and make money with it, and the two bonuses there. And there you have it, guys. Well, tell you what, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and got some value out of it. Reach down there and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the bell so we get notified of when I upload new videos, because I'm always uploading new videos all the time to show you guys how to make money and bring time and financial freedom into your lives. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. Don't forget to comment down there too as well what you thought about this video or any questions that you have, okay? See you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.